इस टेबल तक लेकर आएंगे और ग्लास को यहाँ सेटल करेंगे एंड देन I'm going to try and see if this water is cold enough or good enough.
Oh my God, I can't believe this, Yudi. What is happening?
We have a connection, a strong connection.
So you have a co-host for you already set.
No, they can't never replace you. How can I replace you? Ladies and gentlemen, like we said, this is one of the biggest technological milestones ever attempted by anyone, and Honda is truly accelerating into the future, making the future happen and making it the most convenient, amazing place to be part of. That is why Honda really treasures every experience they create for their consumers and customers. चलिए मैं देख लेता हूँ कि पानी ठंडा है कि नहीं. Oh my God. Asimo, this is the best glass of water I've ever had. Thank you very much. Dekha, he's so sweet, but you could try to be a little sweet like him. You probably get me a glass of water, maybe some champagne, I don't know.
Really?
You know, just like be nice to me. Guys, what do you think of Asimo? Are you guys excited to see him? Yeah, what else do you want to see him doing?
Yudi. What happened to Asimo?
I think because I gave that child attention. Okay, Asimo, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to like upset you. Please come back.
I think he's upset.
I think somebody here did something. I'd request all of you to kindly put your phones down because Asimo is getting upset with your phones. No, I'm just kidding. Asimo is actually just excited to be in India. वो काफी excitement से कूद रहा है, and you can see here jumping on one foot, just so excited and happy to be part of this very cool experience here.
Yes, absolutely right. Yudi, he is excited to visit India. Guys, are you all excited to see Asimo?
Yes!
क्या बात कर रहे हो यार, कभी ऐसी चीज देखी है? हाँ? अभी देखी है ना? That's why Asimo is truly a marvelous invention. Asimo embodies the true spirit of Honda, which also happens to be the theme of this year's Auto Expo, Accelerate with Honda.
You know, Yudi, Asimo and I have one thing in common.
What?
We both love football.
Oh, I thought the dressing sense. But no, I'm just kidding. Well, I'm glad, Devika, you love football because football के कितने सारे fans हैं यहाँ पे. All right. हम सोच रहे हैं कि हमारे जो इंडियन फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स हैं वो कुछ खास नहीं है, इसलिए कुछ इंपोर्ट्स लेकर एक अच्छी टीम बनाएं तो कुछ हो सकता है. That's why we got Asimo all the way from Japan to show us his football skills. आपको क्या लगता है, एक किक में गोल कर पाएगा? Do you think he can score a goal in one kick?
No.
Okay, if he doesn't, then if he does, then I'm going to take your phone. That's the bet. Awesome. All right. Asimo, we're ready for you. And the tension building up around the stadium at the Honda Pavilion. Will this be the goal that takes us to the World Cup final?
Come on, Asimo, go ahead and show us.
And there's a lot of tension, excitement, and it's a goal!
Wow, that was amazing. And Asimo, can you promise one thing? Can you please train me and Yudi before you go to Japan?
There, you see, he's going to do it. We're really lucky to have Asimo on our side. Ab एक जबरदस्त performance. हिंदुस्तान में लोग ज़्यादातर तीन चीजें बहुत